Y'all can't tell me nothing with this ponytail. Like, don't talk to me. Talk to the hand, because the ears ain't listening. Don't talk to me. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Ooh. Today's video is really special to your girl. Not only am I collaborating with a Black-owned business, I'm collaborating with a Black-owned woman's business, okay? So today's video is sponsored by the one and only Tierra Beauty. Yes, let's get into it. Look at this packaging. It's giving luxury, okay? Top tier quality. All of her information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to a direct link where you can purchase the ponytail or whatever else you may like. Okay, so a little background on my girl Tierra J. We met back in Kansas. We were both living in Fort Riley, Kansas, and we just connected. You know, that was my girl. It wasn't forced or anything like that. We didn't even talk about YouTube, like collaborating or anything like that. It was just a vibe, and we had a good time. One time I was at Tierra's house till like 3 o'clock in the morning. We had a girls' night, and you know, some of her friends came over, and then I was the last one to leave, and we went from twerking to Juvenile, back that thing up, to Kirk Franklin. And we had a whole church session at 3 o'clock in the morning. When her manager reached out to me and said that they would like for me to collaborate with them, it was only right to support my girl, okay? She has elevated so much since we both moved from Fort Riley, Kansas, and I'm just so proud of her. I'm proud of her brand, and when she is doing the damn thing, you go, girl. Make sure y'all support your people, okay? Support your people, support your friends. And you know, I know everybody's not in the financial position to purchase everything that their friends may sell and things like that, but a simple view, like, or share is supporting your people. Me and Tierra go months without talking, and we catch up, and then we be on the phone for hours, and you know, pour into one another. So support your people, be there for your people, love your people, let them know, you know, that I care about you, I'm rooting for you, and all that good jazz. So let's jump into the professional portion of this video. All right, so as y'all saw in the unboxing, yo, Tierra got me doing a ponytail, okay? She got me doing a curly ponytail, y'all, and it smells so good. They had to watch this, because I ain't never received no hair that smells this good. All of the information on this ponytail will be listed on the screen. This is the curly ponytail. I believe I asked for 26 inches, but I'm not sure, but it'll be listed on the screen, the correct inches. So we about to get into it and finesse this ponytail. We're about to do it together. Let's get into it, because we about to do it. All right, y'all, two things. I did go in and shampoo and deep condition my hair, just because my hair was a lot dirtier than I expected. So yeah, I did stretch it out, because y'all, we trying to get this to lay down, okay? And my hair is short, and it be like, and another thing, I did go in and co-wash the ponytail. I did not apply any product to it. This is it in its natural curl state. Starting off, I did a left part, because y'all know I'm left gang in this thing. And I did a curve. It's not straight, it's curved. And y'all know my edges is thin. Like, if you're new here, don't play with me, okay? My edges is thin. They have always been thin. Has nothing to do with me wearing wigs, but I section my hair off in 3 sections. I have the 2 front sides pinned up, and then we have the back. I'm gonna split this section in the back in 2 sections. So there's the first half. So I'm just gonna lay this down, put a rubber band. So the product that I'm using today is the Motions Daily Oil Moisturizer. This product does not revert my hair back. So I wanted to use this because I wanted my ponytail to be moisturized as well as sleek. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Shining Jam and put it around the nape of my neck. I hope I'm making sense doing this, but pretty much everybody does this if you have natural hair. When you want it to lay down as sleek as possible, you lay your hair down section by section, and you use rubber bands to wrap it around, to secure it around the initial ponytail. Okay, so we are done the first section. Then I'm gonna take this down. We're just gonna bring it down. And we're gonna do this section. We went from this to this. Baby, I'm about to be a whole new woman. I ain't even got the ponytail on yet. Bring this down so it can swoop. Because I wanted to cover up like my thinness. So we have our pony, ladies and gents. Okay, like I told y'all, my edges are very thin. And plus, when I lay them down, they like disappear anyway. But I don't care. I got some black edge control, and that's how I fill that in. Honestly, I just slipped this on. Like, I just showed y'all how easy it was to put on. It's not hurting my head or anything like that. I slid the comb underneath my ponytail. It's not pulling or anything. And I just velcroed it. I wrap it. And I took the one piece of hair that's left to wrap it around the ponytail. And this is what we getting. Let me go beat this face, baby. And I'm going to come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Do y'all see me? I mean, do y'all see me? Like, yo. First of all, I cannot believe I achieved this style because I was just like, it's not gonna work, it's not gonna work, it's not gonna work. Because my hair is so thick and it's kinky and it's tight. But y'all, I did it. Like, let's get a round of applause. Yeah. I could sit here and critique my natural hair all day. Like, oh my God, the waves are starting to come in. The texture is really showing through. But y'all, bump that. Let's just acknowledge the slay, okay? Of course, my hair isn't laying flat and perfectly, but that don't stop no show, because baby, I'm show-stopping. I'm really show-stopping. Yes, I just feel so freaking gorgeous with this ponytail. I feel like royalty, like seriously. I got royalty, got loyalty inside my DNA. Yes, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the pros and the cons to this ponytail. And y'all already know how I do. I keep it real with y'all. Honestly, I don't have any cons, y'all. I don't. Like, what is there negative to say about this ponytail? Nothing. Now, I will admit, when I first pulled it out the pack, I was like, this looks thin. It looks really thin because I did see a photo shoot Tierra had, and all of the ponytails looked just like mine, but mine didn't look like that at first. And I was just like, oh no, I'm gonna look bald for real. But no, I didn't even do anything to it but shampoo it and brush it out. That's it. And it's giving me life. Everything in me wants to do a small wine curler and see how that looks. I might just try that out, y'all, because the look is everything. So I do not have any cons. As far as the hair, I did not receive a whole lot of shedding when I did co-wash the hair. None at all. I don't run my hands through my curly units, so I didn't I can't say that I received any tangling, but you guys saw me combing out with my wide tooth comb, and I didn't receive any shedding then, and it wasn't a whole lot of tangles. But let me go ahead and jump into the pros. The pros is that this is a convenient ponytail. Like, I really can appreciate the Velcro, so you don't have to use a whole bunch of bobby pins. Y'all, I only have one bobby pin in this ponytail when I wrap the hair around it to secure it, and that's it. I whip my hair back and forth. Ooh, sorry, tree. It's not loose. It's not coming out like, bruh. Come on. When I love something, I let the item speak for itself. And yo, there's really nothing negative to say about this ponytail. It's convenient. It's beautiful. The density is perfect. The curls are everything. You can go in and define them and then separate them. It's your ponytail. You do what you want to do. So make sure you guys drop a comment down below. Show your girl some love. If you would like to purchase this ponytail, all of the information will be listed down below in the description box. And if I'm provided with a coupon code, that will be listed down below as well. Yes, y'all, so let's go ahead and wrap up today's video because there's not a whole lot for me to say. All that I can say, do 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 do. Y'all, I have not sung since I've been back recording. Yeah, shout out to the ponytail for making me. Shout out to the ponytail, got me singing. You send me swinging. Oh, you send me swinging. Yeah, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Shanise Nicole _. And also make sure you're following me on TikTok as well. I'm still not that very active on social media, but when I do post, I do engage that night before I log back out. All the direct links to my social media platforms will be listed down below in the description box. Once again, I would like to send a big thank you and I love you to Tierra Beauty for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.